up next, it is our main event of the evening between Mr. Untouchable and the four-time Wrestling All-American, Josh Koscheck. Oh, Mr. Untouchable, Josh Koscheck. Here we go! 5-minute rounds. Man, he's mixing it up.
Misses with the head kick. Oh, we got tagged.
Another big shot to the head by Koscheck.
Good combination. Beautiful right hand. Head kick.
Mr. Untouchable with a big left hook. He just missed with that left hook. Solid punch by Mr. Untouchable.
Both men came out hard.
Koscheck gets the takedown. Josh Koscheck's doing a great job of executing his game plan perfectly.
His approach tonight is certainly highlighting his attributes, really pushing his game plan very well.
Mr. Untouchable with a good left.
Closes the guard.
He's looking to stay busy on the ground. Koscheck gets back up.
Good inside leg kick.
And he counters with a powerful right.
They are exchanging here, Mike.
Softening his opponent up.
Man, that was a big strike.
Oh, right on his head.
Big connection. Oh, and he lands the head kick. Huge right
he rocked him
hand.
with that right hand.
Keep the pressure on him. They're doing great here.
Oh, that head kick caught.
Oh, he connected with that right hand.
That head kick is blocked.
Man, he gets some torque on that hook.
He catches him with the head kick. That's another good hook.
Under 3 on the clock, round 1.
Nice combination by Mr. Untouchable.
Oh, good left hand.
Both fighters are scoring.
Head kick.
Nicely done.
Good combination with the 1-2. Solid hook to the head.
Oh, big
Look
right
at
hand.
that. Oh, my.
Unbelievable.
Caught him again.
Oh. He's got half guard.
Just over 2 on the clock.
Koscheck gets up.
He hit him with the hook.
Good combo.
Oh, that one dropped him.
He's on his feet.
Big punch. Whoa. Oh,
My, just like that. Mr. Untouchable wins by knockout.
huge hook that got him the victory.
And now it's time for our fight replay.
And as we can see here in the replay, it was the hook that ended this fight. Check out this angle here. Boom! And then he's out.
Bruce Buffer with the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Yves Leving has called a stop to this contest at 3 minutes, 8 seconds of the very first round, declaring the winner by knockout, Mr. Untouchable.
Mr. Untouchable, winner by knockout.